Oh, it is pumpkin season.
It is, it is.
It smells like pumpkins in here. Suzy's back. Suzy Gazzellone, who runs Suzy's Cake Angels, was back here in the summer, and you have brought a wonderful spread, everything.
It's all here. Some pumpkin loaf, pumpkin scones, pumpkin coffee.
That you can all get in this fabulous cookbook right here.
Right, Secrets from a Baker. You could purchase it on Amazon.
Okay.
And yeah,
good.
I have lots of pumpkin recipes in there.
You know how to put a spread together.
Thank you.
How do you like working with pumpkin?
You know what? It's a very versatile ingredient, and obviously you can make lots of desserts with it.
More than pumpkin pie.
More than pumpkin pie.
Where are you with pumpkin pie? Yay, nay? Yay, nay?
It's okay.
Okay.
I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for
no,
all those
I'm kind of a nay. I know I'm kind of a nay, but I do like some other pumpkin stuff.
Yeah, you know what?
Like this. What
like
are you
this
doing
one.
here?
We're going to start off with some pumpkin scones.
Okay.
So I'm going to get you to help me.
Okay.
Let's swap.
Swap. Okay.
You are going to put all the dry ingredients in there.
Dry ingredients. What's in here?
Flour, baking powder, some salt. We have some sugar that we're going to add in.
Why are you doing this in this?
So I do my 2-bowl method, dry in one, wet in the other.
Right.
And I'm gonna add some cinnamon. Everybody knows that, this time of the year, that's the key.
What else?
It just warms.
Nutmeg?
Actually, no, that's pumpkin pie spice.
Okay.
So you gotta add those cloves, the nutmeg, the ginger. That all adds more flavor, more coziness to the pumpkin season.
Mixing this up.
Right. Okay, you got that. Okay. Good job.
Good.
Wow, you got some practice. So we have some pumpkin.
Where does it come from? Where do you get it in? Like just the one from the store?
Yeah, so you purchase it in a can.
Right.
I prefer the can one. And my trick is you got to put it through one of these cheesecloths and squeeze all that moisture.
Oh, that moisture's no good.
There's a lot of moisture inside pumpkin puree.
And what do you do with this? Is this good? Is this goodness? Or are you not using this?
If you want to make a smoothie, sure. But I mean, you're making dessert, so there's no need to make a smoothie.
No need.
So then you're going to scoop this, or you could just
dump that in there.
Dump that in there. I'm going to chuck this back here.
Okay.
And then you dump in all the wet ingredients.
Okay. What is this? Is this cheese?
That's butter. So another trick for scones is you want to, actually that was supposed to go in there. That's not right. Tim, you got to go with me here, okay? So we got to grate that butter, right? Cold frozen butter, because that's what adds to the flakiness of the scones. Okay. Okay?
So this egg.
Oh, we're not putting that. See, now you got me all thrown off here. I don't know what happened.
Mixing all this up.
You got it, yeah. And then you're going to dump that.
Dump this.
In here.
In here.
All right, look at this. He's on a mission. This guy wants his
Well, I know that we only have 2.5 minutes left and we got another thing to make.
Oh, it's okay, we got this.
So that's going like that, and then that is...
There, and then we're gonna add the buttermilk. We basically...
On top of it? How long does it go in the oven for?
400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes, okay. But that's all in the cookbook?
All in the cookbook.
Okay.
In Secrets from a Baker.
What's this one?
And then here we've got the flour, the salt, the baking powder, baking soda. Same thing, we've got the cinnamon, all the warming spices going in there.
So again, same base that we're doing for the scones?
Exactly.
What's the difference between these two?
We're adding a few more ingredients in this one, right? We added a baking powder in there. Because it's more of a cake, you need more of that leavening agent.
These are scones, these are...
This is the pumpkin spice coffee cake.
Ooh, coffee cake.
Coffee cake, because you gotta have a coffee cake for Thanksgiving.
Is that yogurt?
No, actually, this is sour cream.
Sour cream.
And that adds a lot of, again, it adds moisture.
Okay.
And it just creates more of a sponginess to the
We
cake.
had 1 egg here. We're doing 2 eggs here?
We're doing, eggs are great. Eggs, they're like a binding ingredient. And again, they also contribute to moisture in a cake. And now, see, he knows. He's learned.
Don't mind my hands.
This is great. You get in there. Oh my goodness. Oh, Tim. We got to do more baking here.
I want to do this.
Okay, you got it.
That in there.
Perfect.
Boom. Because we want to try these. Okay, so then that's all spun up.
Yeah,
that's going in there. How long do these go in the oven for?
These are about 40 minutes in the oven at 350. Okay. And then you got to do a streusel. I know you're right in there.
The streusel.
So the streusel is basically we're adding the butter to the flour. Again, we grate it because that adds, again, that crumbly texture. The sugar, brown sugar and white sugar, and then the warming spices. And then we just mix it all in.
This is the streusel on top of it.
So that's the glaze. So I use a cinnamon glaze, and that one I use a maple glaze on top. You just dig in.
Ooh, 10 seconds. Where do we go for more info, Suzy?
So head over to my website at susyscakeangels.com.
We'll hook it up with our website, chch.com/morninglive. Talking with my mouth full again. Suzy, fantastic. I'm on
Thanks
the
so
hook.
much.